ladies and gents. Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Sykes, LadySavage.com.
And we got another product review for you today. This one's probably going to be a pretty long one because we have a ton of products to review, but I'm super excited about every single one. And I think it'll be good because it's like a food-based product review rather than like a supplement or like a tool or something like that, an app. And I like all foods, and Crystal's super picky on all foods. So a lot of times I'll review a food, say it's amazing, and then people will be like, yeah, but what does Crystal think? So taste test time for Crystal here as well. And I'm glad we're doing this product review because since I've gotten all these in, I've been like eating them every single day because I like them so much. And I need to hurry up and do this video before I eat them all gone.
I have not tried them. I have specifically not tried them because I wanted to be honest in the review. I don't like to do product reviews on food very much because I am so picky that I don't want to say anything negative about a company because I'm sure there's a bunch of people out there. So
any company that we review, if Crystal makes a weird face, she honestly makes a weird face even before she decides she likes it or not. So this is true.
Yeah, okay.
All right, I'm going to let you pick what we go with first, all right?
Why? So we have to try all of them?
Yes.
Okay. Are those the same thing?
No, different. Same company, different product. But can you like hold it up so people can have some context here?
Oh, okay.
All right, so we have
really not excited about this.
We have some Grassland Nutrition Australian sourced gold standard carnivore snack beef kidney. And
out of all of the organ meats, I probably hate kidney the most. So we're gonna go with that one first.
I absolutely dislike kidney the most of all organ meats too. To me, it just tastes like urine, no matter what you do with it. So we're just starting off.
I'm gonna not smell any of them.
You wanna try it?
Oh, they're weird, like little pebble kind of.
Yeah.
pieces.
So these, they're like.
Can I just try one and not two?
Sure.
What?
What does that mean? What? I don't like kidney stuff. I mean, if I was gonna eat kidney stuff, this is probably the best way I would do it. But kidneys are really good for you. It's got a ton of B12, selenium, diamine oxidase.
Is it soft? Was yours soft?
Yeah.
That was like I was expecting it to be crunchy.
Did you like it?
Yeah, actually. It doesn't taste like anything. I would add salt to it, and then I would actually eat it.
Yeah, so these are super...
Doesn't taste like anything.
Super clean. So a lot of the jerkies and like the stuff out there, the shelf-stable meats, they're like strips. And all of the Grassland Nutrition stuff is like little chunks, which is kind of nice.
Kind of cool. Yeah. Okay.
Um,
Let's go with the liver next. I also hate liver. However, this thing is almost gone.
I've been eating a lot of it.
Okay. Is this one crunchy?
They're all pretty similar.
It's kind of like you're eating a little chunk of fat.
I like the liver. Missed my mouth there. You don't like it?
That one's a no-go. Ooh. I have a really hard time with liver, though. Ooh, I don't like that.
I like this a lot.
Ooh.
I like it a lot. Again, a lot of B12. I mean, y'all obviously know liver's great for you, so I'm a fan. The beef heart is my favorite, though.
Okay, really?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't. I should have got a drink. That one had a weird, real not good aftertaste.
The beef heart is like just another muscle, so it's pretty mild. It's not like it's got an organy taste at all.
Oof. Okay, we got this.
I don't know if this will focus or not. Probably, most certainly not. Focus. It's not gonna focus. But
that one's probably the best tasting.
Yeah.
Like that one, this one actually has a taste. The kidney did not have a taste.
The kidney definitely has a taste. I don't know what you're thinking. There's definitely a taste to the kidney.
I couldn't taste it. The liver, not a good thing for me. And the heart is the best tasting one. Okay, this one?
Yes. Can I talk about this for a second?
Sure.
So most people are deficient in iodine, especially if you don't eat a lot of seafood. They have this bull kelp, freeze-dried crunch, natural source of iodine. It's basically seafood, or not seafood, seaweed, bull kelp. But I like this a lot. 1 teaspoon, in which there are 100 of these, contains 490 mcg of iodine. And this is like a really good thing to just throw on top of your food to give you some crunch, because you don't really get a lot of crunch on keto.
I think this is the one that I did try. I don't remember.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah.
If that's gonna focus. But it looks like sawdust.
Yeah, this is, I did try this and I already know it's good.
But I like it. Pretty good.
Yeah. I mean, you're gonna have to like seaweed, but I like the little seaweed chips and stuff.
We don't have to try those, but I want to show those.
Yeah.
All right, so they also sent me a liver and kelp blend, and this is just like a powder, and a beef liver blend, which is also a powder.
And a liver and kelp, let's see if I can, yeah. Liver and kelp tablets, or like capsules, and then a liver capsules as well.
Yeah.
Which is perfect, because I just ran out of my organ meat capsules.
If you prefer to swallow your organ meats as opposed to eating them, there's that option. And then what are those?
Oh.
They sent me a lot of stuff.
This is a beef liver powder.
So thank y'all, Grassland Nutrition, for fixing this up. Yeah, we got another powder, so that you can like add this on your eggs or ground beef or something, and you wouldn't even taste the organ meat if you're not a fan of liver.
Okay. We shall move on to the next company.
Next company, Carnivore Crisps. And again, I've been going to town on all of these too. That focuses there. So
and I have not tried any of these. Actually, I tried the chicken one.
All these ingredients are super clean. Grass-fed beef, brisket, purified water, red mineral salt. And all the macros are different. Again, these are a lot more full than they look now because I've eaten quite a few. But like the brisket, for instance, 4.5 grams of fat, 0 carbs, 12 grams of protein per serving. So
this is the brisket?
Yeah. And we're just going to try all these as well.
Okie doke.
It's got, like, the brisket, obviously being, like, that's a solid chunk of fat right there.
Oh my gosh. That is so good.
Pretty good, huh?
Wow. No wonder you can't stop eating these.
I know.
Man, the brisket is so good.
That's what it looks like. Won't focus.
It's so good.
I like it.
Like perfect saltiness too. Okay. Oh, should have picked this one first.
Beef liver. I'm curious to say if you like this liver more than that liver. It's both just liver.
I just ate the best thing ever. And I gotta eat this stuff.
I like liver. I like liver a lot more in like these freeze-dried or crisp forms than I do like just normal liver. But again, let's just focus better. That's what it looks like there. You like it?
Yeah.
You do?
It's not too bad.
Not too bad, huh?
I could eat this other bite, but I really don't want to.
Alright, what's next?
But it's actually, okay, if I had to choose a liver product that I've ever been able to eat the best, it'd be that. The capsules, and then I would eat that. That was actually pretty good.
That's a massive feather in your hat, Carnivore Crisps.
Yeah,
She's picky.
I do not like liver.
Chicken breast. Alright, this is going to sound a little weird. But when I first eat the chicken breast ones, it tastes like cornflakes.
You're weird.
Try it. The very first sensation you have, cornflakes.
It's true.
Mm-hmm.
This is really good. I think I like the brisket one better, but more likely because it has fat on it.
Pretty good.
Oh, it's delicious.
And all these have different macros, obviously. So this one is 70 calories, 1.5 fat, 0 carbs, and 12 grams of protein per serving.
Wow, that's really good, actually. That chicken one.
Pork loin. While we're sitting here waiting for me to open this, have y'all noticed there's like a trend on social media now to just watch people eat? It's probably been around for a long time. I'm just not catching on.
So weird.
But that is really weird to me.
I kind of hate that you guys have to watch me eat right now. Like, sorry.
What's weird is like when it's like a close-up of the food going in your mouth and like the crunch. Like that's just weird to me.
Yeah.
Some people are like really into that stuff. It's funny because that's what we're kind of doing here, but it's more so a product review.
That's delicious.
You like the pork one?
I am a big fan of these Carnivore Crisps. Is that the name of the company? Carnivore Crisp?
Mm-hmm.
It's delicious.
Which one you like so far the most?
Brisket.
Brisket. What about the ribeye?
Man, those are all really good.
Ribeye. They also sent us dog food.
Treats.
Dog food treats. But Jack didn't have any teeth. So
he did eat them.
He did?
Mm-hmm.
Would it be weird if I ate one of these? I mean, it's just chicken breast, purified water, Redmond real salt.
Yeah. They probably aren't as careful with it because it is a dog treat. Oh, whoops.
It's pretty hard.
Yeah.
How did
Jack doesn't, I don't know. He had his back teeth. Jack only has 8 teeth. And so he can't really eat stuff like this. He is carnivore, but it's always like raw. But he did, excuse me, he did eat part of one, like a half of one. Right, I'm going after this ribeye. Yep.
More in the brisket?
It's so flavorful. You're gonna be sad that you shared this with me.
I'm gonna stop sharing.
Yes.
Alright. I'm pretty sure I've talked about Keto Explorer before on the YouTube video. But I ordered 2 products. He hooked me up and sent me more. But this one is his Keto Taco Soup.
Delish.
This is the only one I have to review because I already ate all the other ones he sent me because they were all too good to not eat. His best one, I think, is his Keto Buffalo Meatballs. I think that's my favorite one.
Oh, yeah.
So freaking good. But this is 800 calories for this whole thing. 7 grams carbs, 68 fats, 33 protein. But Keto Explorer has got some awesome freeze-dried food, which I thought was kind of in the mix of all this freeze-dried / jerky stuff. So that's another great option. We have one more that is not a meat product. This is from Ketonia, and they're macaroons, coconut macaroons. 2 macaroons is a serving, which is 11 grams of fat, 13 grams of carbs, 3 grams of protein. I'm not typically one to eat dessert foods at all, but the ingredients are pretty clean as far as keto baked treats go. You got coconut flakes, erythritol, egg whites,
almond flour, dark chocolate, coconut oil,
sunflower lecithin, coconut oil.
There are some gums like xanthan gum, guar gum, etc.
Yeah. So I don't normally go for treats at all. I'm not really one to eat treats, but I know a lot of people are. So I feel like we should review them from time to time.
And sometimes you don't want to have to make it.
So this is what they look like.
Oh, how cute.
I wish it would focus. Super cute. So
You
if you and
look
I
crazy.
both eat one, and it's 13 grams of carbs, this is a lot
I
more
don't know.
carbs than I would normally do. So like this is like 6 grams of carbs. It's kind of crazy.
That is kind of crazy. But
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, there we go.
It tastes like a macaroon.
It does.
Wow.
I don't know if I've ever
really
had a
good.
normal macaroon.
What?
Yeah, I don't know if I've ever had a normal macaroon.
Wow, that is actually really delicious. Like, if you like macaroons and you miss macaroons and you're okay with, like, having a little bit more carbs one day,
That's your answer.
that is delicious.
Delicious. Boom. And they also sent us
Wow.
some keto bread mix, but I haven't made any bread yet. But we have some keto bread mix from them too. So we'll make
That
some.
is really good.
So, all that to say, appreciate you. Oh, one more thing. Reach down there, the Bubs Naturals. So, Bubs Naturals sent us some stuff. They sent us some collagen, and they sent us some MCT powder. When it comes to MCT powder, I'm super freaking picky. And this one's got tapioca starch in it. So I don't really love that it's got tapioca starch, but other than that, it's pretty good. The collagen, though, is top notch. Like, if I'm going to get a collagen, it's going to be the Bubs Naturals.
Excuse me, sorry.
They've got a really cool story. So I'm happy to support the company. The collagen
Unflavored.
is just made from bovine hide collagen peptides. Super clean, super crisp, absorbs easily. Good stuff. So if you are a collagen consumer, can't go wrong with Bubs.
Me.
All right, y'all. Until next time, y'all have a good one. try these stuff. Try these. Let us know what you think. I think actually the Carnivore Crisps may have hooked me up with the discount code. I'm pretty sure they did. I don't know what the discount is.
If we do, we'll put it in the description below.
But I'm pretty sure it's Savage. So try that, see if it works. But I'm pretty sure it's Savage. I just don't know what it's for. But if you want some Carnivore Crisps, try Savage. See what that gets you. But I like all these products. I'm gonna eat all these now that I've made this video.
That was really pretty, actually pretty good.
So, catch y'all later.